ये सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। +1 में हमारा चैप्टर 4 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर। दिस इज योर लेक्चर 5, 4 lecture on this chapter over, and this is the 5th lecture on this chapter, complex numbers and the quadratic equation. But quadratic equation is not in your syllabus, only complex number. Okay, now miscellaneous exercise on this chapter today from NCERT book. Question number 5 to onward we have to do. Now question number 5 is in your NCERT book. If Z1 equal Z1 वैल्यू मीन्स कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है, पहला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, उसकी वैल्यू 2 माइनस आयोटा है, और कोई दूसरा है Z2 सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर if 1 plus iota. Okay, these two is Z1, Z2 and Z1. Find Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 whole divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Simple. Okay. Put the values and simplify only, which we have done also. So here miscellaneous means question which we have done. Concept all clear. Okay. Which concept done in this chapter? First concept, standard form of complex number a plus iota b form. A is the real part and iota b coefficient of the imaginary part b. Okay, I b imaginary because iota b, iota is imaginary number, iota value is square root minus 1. So due to this iota value a plus iota b is a complex number, imaginary number. Okay, all real number also complex number. I told all real number also complex number because that 0 into iota, b value 0, y component 0, x coordinate on real number line x and imaginary line y axis. So a comma b, if any coordinate in the coordinate system, then represent the z complex number at that point a plus iota b. Okay, so means a comma iota b we can say, in other words, because iota b is y coordinate and y coordinate is the imaginary here, काल्पनिक due to iota. b may be 0, then only real number line पर आ जाएगा a plus 0 iota. तो 0 iota means on the x axis, y coordinate 0 on x axis, and on y axis x coordinate 0, तो a 0 plus iota b. B may be any real number except 0, then a 0, then these points lies on the y axis. So like this I told concept also. Then after that, what concept? Modulus of a complex number I told, conjugate of a complex number I told. Okay, and then multiplicative inverse of a complex number I told. So these are some points, and express any complex number expression in the form of a standard complex number a plus iota b. That. So this is also like that. We can simplify. Okay, now continue. Simplify this. Value put here. Then solution. Put Z1 and Z2 value. Z1 is 2 minus iota plus Z2 1 plus iota divided by n plus 1. Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 means 2 minus iota and minus Z2 or minus Z2. So Z2 value is 1 plus iota. So change the sign of this because minus outside. So minus 1 minus iota. You know. Okay. Then after that plus 1. This plus 1. Now simplify this. We have to find it. So then minus iota plus iota like term and plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, then it is 4 only. Plus iota minus iota cancel. Clear? Divide by minus iota minus 2 iota minus 1 plus 1 0. Then 2, it is 2 minus 2 iota. Then now multiply by the conjugate. What is conjugate of the denominator? 2 plus 2 iota. Conjugate of the denominator. Multiply to get the rational number as the denominator. Then 2 plus 2 iota. Okay, clear? Now simplify. Then denominator having a minus b into a plus b. So that formula a square minus b square by algebra. A square 2 square 4 minus b square. B square means 2 iota whole square, then 4 iota square. 4 iota square. And numerator as it is 4 into 2. 4 common. As it is, we can write 2 plus 2 iota. This. Then forward we can solve 2 common, 4 to the 8. 2 common in numerator, simplify, simple form. Then 2 common means 1 plus iota divided by 4 minus iota square. Iota square is minus 1 because iota square is minus 1. So put this value here. So minus minus plus, then it will be plus 4. And 4 plus 4, 8. Then this implies 8 into 1 plus iota divided by 4 plus 4, 8. Then it cancels. Common factor in numerator and denominator. Then 1 plus iota. Result. This is your answer. Okay? A plus iota is standard form. Okay, clear? Next question. Yes, next question. Question number 6. If a plus iota b is equal x plus iota whole square upon 2x square plus 1. If this is given, then prove that a square plus b square is equal x square plus 1 whole square whole divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. We have to prove. Now for this proof, in this proof, take given thing. What is given thing? A plus iota b. A plus iota b is equal x plus iota whole square upon 2x plus 1. Use here what? Conjugate both sides. Conjugate both sides. Because this is truth statement given. Conjugate two complex number equal given. So conjugate also will be equal. Conjugate both sides. Okay. This was given. It means it is truth. So use the given thing, write given. If this is equal to this given, ये equation 1 और taking conjugate both sides, conjugate of a plus iota b is a minus iota b. Iota term, change the sign, and then here x plus iota means x minus iota. Iota sign only change, other no change. Iota term only, here no iota, as it is 2x square plus 1. Okay, it is equation number 2. Now multiply both. Okay, multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay, equation 1 and 2. We get a plus iota b into a minus iota b. क्या हो गया? a square आइडेंटिटी लग गई. a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. b square is iota square b square is equal, right hand side both multiply, x plus iota, we can write x plus iota square, numerator into numerator, x minus iota square whole divided by denominator into numerator, 2x square plus 1 into 2x square plus 1. So 2x square plus 1 into 2x plus 1 only, then it will be whole square. Same thing, multiply 2 times, then whole square. Okay, we can simplify forward. So what will come? This is a square and minus iota square b square will be plus b square. Why? Because iota square is minus 1. Because iota square value is minus 1. Use this, then this will be plus, and then equal. Multiply here, square power same. So multiplying side power same. This one a power m into b power m, power same. Then multiply both base and power m. We can write. So use this, then it will be a plus b into a minus b, then a square minus b square, 1 square is 1. Iota square. B is iota. Then iota square. Then multiply by and this whole square as power. Okay? Then upon 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay? Now we simplify. Then a square plus b square as it is will be equal. Then iota square again minus 1. So minus minus plus, then x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. See, this is right hand side is equal to हैंड्स प्रूव. ठीक है, हैंड्स प्रूव, ये हमें प्रूव करना था. हैंड्स प्रूव. डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. लेट z1 गिवन 2 minus iota and z2 let minus 2 plus iota. find first part, real part of Z1 Z2 upon Z1 bar. Z1 bar means conjugate of Z1. Second part, imaginary part of 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar means Z1 into conjugate of Z1. So simple, put values and simplify and take real part of the simplest form. Take imaginary part of the simplest form. Okay? You know A plus iota B, standard form. A is the real part and B iota is the imaginary part. Okay? So we should write the answer. Now solution of first. But put real part is this real of Z1. Z1 put here 2 minus iota Z1 into Z2. Z2 is minus 2 plus iota Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 conjugate. Z1 is 2 minus iota conjugate. Okay, Z1 conjugate. Z1 2 minus iota. This we have to simplify only. Then real as it is. In the end, we have to operate real. Okay. First simplify inside. First simplify second part also inside, and then take imaginary part of that. Okay. Now real part of this product 2 minus 2 multiply minus 4. 2 multiply with iota plus 2 iota. Then minus iota into minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 iota. Okay. Then minus plus minus iota square. Or divided by 2 minus iota conjugate. So conjugate means iota term sign we have to change. तो माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. Done. Simplified. Now forward. RE real part this real as it is. Simplify inside right term plus 2 iota 4 iota and minus iota square is plus 1 because iota square is minus 1. Again I am writing iota square is minus 1. Then minus minus plus 1. Plus 1 and minus 4. Then minus 3. ठीक है डायरेक्टली आई सॉल्व प्लस 2 plus 2 4 iota. Done. Divide by 2 plus iota. Now what we have to do? We have to do inside conjugate. Okay? Multiply by conjugate of denominator in numerator and denominator both. So 2 minus iota conjugate of 2 plus iota. 2 minus iota. So multiply numerator and denominator, and then this will be minus 3 to the 6. Minus 6 minus 3 into minus iota plus 3 iota each term to each term product. Then 4 iota into plus 4 to the 8 iota, and then 4 and minus 4 iota square. Minus 4 iota square. Whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. B is iota square. Then put the value of iota square. Okay. Then right term ये बन गया plus 4 और minus 6 minus 2 I solve and put the value of r square minus 1. तो प्लस 4 हो गया, माइनस 6 तो माइनस 2 एंड 8 प्लस 3 11 iota. Okay, divide by 4 iota square minus 1 तो minus 1 is plus 1 4 plus 1 5. this now what we have to do real part of तो यहाँ पर हमने रियल लिखना है इसका. ओके, एज इट इज रियल पार्ट. ठीक है, here as it is रियल पार्ट. now इसमें रियल पार्ट कौन सा है? -2.5. so रियल पार्ट ऑफ दिस -2/5. तो आंसर -2/5. ये रियल पार्ट हो गया इसका. सिमिलरली यहाँ इमेजिनरी पार्ट आएगा, तो ये इमेजिनरी पार्ट होता है आयोटा के छोड़कर. ठीक है, तो हो जाता 11/5. ओके, वैल्यू बी इमेजिनरी पार्ट. क्लियर? इमेजिनरी लाइन है वो आयोटा है, इसकी वजह से उसका पार्ट बी होता है. ओके, डन. so similarly you can do this second part. okay, now next question. hello, next question beta. next question is question 8. find the value of x and y if x minus iota y into 3 plus 5 iota is equal the conjugate of -6 minus 24 iota. conjugate means बार लाइन डाल दिया. तो ये गिवन है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x and y. सॉल्यूशन, टेक दिस प्रोडक्ट. तो x into 3 3x. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई 3x and x into 5 iota plus 5x iota. ओके बेटा, x की मल्टीप्लाई हो गई, अब माइनस आयोटा y की मल्टीप्लाई, तो -3y iota. ओके, आफ्टर दैट माइनस प्लस माइनस and then 5 iota and iota y. iota square 5y, 5 into y and then iota into iota, iota square. done. The quarter is to each multiply and equal conjugate of this iota term sign we have to change other as it is. You know conjugate of complex number, change the iota term sign. Okay, now simplify both sides. Equate real part to the real part, imaginary part to imaginary. Now here iota square is -1. put iota square is -1. okay, and then it will be plus 5y और ये 3x रियल पार्ट इकट्ठे कर दिए. ओके, प्लस 5y. then and imaginary part, this real part and imaginary part iota बाहर, and then 5x minus 3y iota. Okay, right term only. Simplified is equal to -6 plus 24 iota. Clear? Now after this step, take real part, equate real part to real part, imaginary to imaginary, because if two complex numbers are equal, so their real part and the corresponding imaginary part must be equal. So 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is real part here left hand, and right hand real part is minus 6. Equation 1. Okay. Now equation 2, imaginary part, 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y is equal 24. Simple, very simple. Now these linear equation in 10th class we have solved. Any method you can apply, substitution method और elimination. तो अब आप क्या करें, इसमें ये आपका 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और इसमें 3 से. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 या y कट जाएगा, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, चलो ठीक है. किसी एक को इक्वल y को बना लो, तो 3 से इसमें 5 से इसमें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 एंड इक्वेशन 2 में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. ठीक है, these both will be in the new form 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9x plus 3 5 is 15y is equal 3 6 is 18 minus 18. This is the new form of equation 1. Okay, and equation 2 multiply by 5 both sides. 5 5 is 25x and 5 3 is 15 minus 15y is equal 5 multiply 24, 120. Okay, clear? Now these both equations simplify. Here adding both, so minus 15 and plus 15 cancel, then 9 and 25, 34 x is equal to 120 and minus 18. 18 is 102. Positive negative subtract. Then x is equal, divide by 34. तीन सौ बारह, 3 से 9 एक का 3 जा, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, 34 3 जा 102, तो x वैल्यू 3. ठीक है, clear? Now after that put here in any one equation, in this for this, putting as in 10th class, putting x is equal to 3 in any equation, in equation 1. Equation 1 I am taking this 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. So x value is 3, so 3 3 is 9 plus 5y equal to minus 6. Then 5y is equal to minus 6 and minus 9, उधर जाकर तो माइनस के 15. ठीक है बेटा, एंड देन y इक्वल टू डिवाइड बाय 5 minus 3. So x and the y both values was x3, y minus 3. Answer. So find x and y means done. Clear? Next question. Yes beta, next question, question number 9. Find the modulus of this number 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota upon 1 plus iota. First simplify this, make standard form a plus iota form, and then modulus of that formula we can use. Modulus of a plus iota b is equal to, what is modulus value? Square root a square plus b square. Okay, clear? Positivity for me. Now after that this simplify. Solution, what? Subtraction. Subtraction means LCM. The LCM 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. A plus A square minus B square. Okay बेटा, LCM प्रोडक्ट हो गई. तो this multiply this 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota. 1 plus iota whole square means A square open कर दिया plus B square means plus iota square and plus 2AB means 2 iota. Okay, after that in between minus and then 1 minus iota into 1 minus iota. A minus B whole square formula and change the sign of B star. So A square plus B square means minus B square and minus 2AB means plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into iota. Done. This by taking LCM, simplify this, then put the value of iota square minus 1. We know this. Okay. Use this, then minus iota square plus iota square cancel iota, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. After that 2 iota and 2 iota, only 4 iota left here. 4 iota in numerator and divide by iota square minus 1 minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 2. So 2 से cancel, 2 2 ja 4. Then this simplest form is 2 iota. This is your simplest form. So modulus of this. Then so modulus, okay beta. So modulus of this 2 iota is equal to square root formula, because we know modulus of z is equal to square root a square plus b square. This formula, use this formula. Then a is here 0, because we can write this 0 plus 2 iota. Okay, so a is 0, so 0 square 0 and plus b square. B is 2, 2 square is 4. Then this is equal root 4 means 2. Answer. Done. Always positive. Modulus always positive. ठीक है? Plus minus no need, because modulus always positive. Done. Next question we can do. Okay? Yes. Next question, question number 10. Last question of this. Okay? Now, if x plus iota y whole cube given is equal to u plus iota v, u and v any real number in this form, then show that u upon x plus v upon y value is equal to 4 into x square minus y square. So what is this given thing? This is equal to take this in the proof. Okay beta, take given thing whole cube formula a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3a square means x square b iota y, okay, plus 3 iota y b square a, b square a as it is, b square y square iota square. Be careful. This all two formula, okay, equal to u plus iota v. First simplify LHS and after that compare both sides and take u value real part and v value imaginary part. Now only simplify and put iota cube value. We know iota cube value equal to iota square into iota. Many times I told then minus iota. ठीक है? और iota scale no, iota scale value is -1. So put these values here and simplify x cube and this iota scale value -1. So it will be minus 3xy square minus 3xy square. ठीक है, प्लस का माइनस हो गया ड्यू टू iota square. Then these two that plus 3x square y and here iota cube value is minus iota, so it is minus y cube iota minus y cube iota because iota cube value is -1. Then is equal to as it is u plus iota v. After that simplify here iota this 3x into iota. So iota coefficient here, then this equate the real part. So real part u here, real part v is equal, then it is x cube minus 3x y square u value, okay, and imaginary part is v and here imaginary part is 3x square y, coefficient of iota, and minus y cube. This is the value of v. Now putting these values in the LHS, LHS is u upon x plus v upon y equal, put u value, u is equation 1, ठीक है, x cube minus 3xy at u upon x plus v 3x square y minus y cube divided by y as it is. Then this implies x common in numerator, then x square minus 3y upon x plus here y common in numerator, then 3x square minus y square divided by y. Y cancel, x cancel, then this implies x cube minus 3y, x common, x cube minus 3y, 3y square value x cube minus 3y square. So here 3y square. Then x cube x square plus 3x square 4x square, like term adding only denominator being minus 3 and minus 1 minus 4 y square. Then 4 common, then x square minus y square. Then equal to RHS hence proved. ओके बेटा, ये हमें प्रूव करना था. डन. LHS we are already done this. Clear? So like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.